welcome back to my channel, and today we're making granola. So that's just basically oats, and you just put them in the oven with some sweetness and they come out crunchy and yummy. So let's do it! So this is optional. I have almonds, dried cranberries and dark chocolate, and I have to cut them up into little pieces, and then I'm going to mix them up with my oats. So this is optional, you don't have to do it, just do it, mix it in whatever you like. So I'm going to mix everything in here. I'm also going to mix a little bit of maple syrup for some extra sweetness. Teaspoon of water to make it a little bit wet, because if it's not wet it cannot be crunchy. So that's how it looks. Yeah. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for, I don't know, I've put the oven on 160 and I'm going to put it first for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to it a little bit too long and it's a little bit burnt, but don't worry, it's still edible, so I'm still gonna keep it. It's still good. So guys, here is granola. It's really crispy, but don't worry, I'll show you how I normally eat it. I'm doing laundry, that's why I forgot it a little bit in the oven, so it got a little bit burnt, but it's still really good. It's sweet from the cranberries and the maple syrup, and it's also a little bit bitter from the dark chocolate, which is like 70%, so it's bitter, so it has that sweet and bitter taste, so it's going well together. But as I told you, you can add whatever you like. Yeah, so I like that crunch. It's like eating popcorn. I also like eating them raw like this. So yeah. Anyway, this is how I eat it most of the time, at breakfast or as a snack. So I use my plant yogurt, so I'm going to use a little bit of this. And I love it. Only today it's burnt. I'm a little bit sad about that, but it doesn't matter, it's still edible, and I don't like throwing food out. Never throw good food out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope you like granola, and